Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your item listing in Vinted in 2025. To do it, click on Profile in bottom right corner. Then go to your profile at the top. Now go to the item that you want to edit, click on three dots in top right corner and click on Edit. Now you can, for example, change anything in here. Let's try to add more colors maybe. Okay, let's add white because there's some white in this plant, right? So let's add it, done. And maybe let's change the price. I think that's a bit too low. Okay, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I forgot to save that. So remember to save it before. Okay, let's try again. And click on save. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.